How to make products on WooCommerce. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can make products on WooCommerce. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to WooCommerce, and if you do not have a WooCommerce account, then you will create one. You simply go to woocommerce.com and click on start a new store. So when it comes to WooCommerce, we actually require a WordPress account in order to create an account on WooCommerce. Or if you already have a WordPress, then you will be able to simply integrate your WooCommerce because you can create a store there. So you will just simply, enter your email address and create an account on WordPress. So I already have an account on WordPress. I will just open it up, and this is my WooCommerce right here. So once you have your own WooCommerce, you can see right here, this is WooCommerce on WordPress. And now I can actually create my products right here. So if you're a complete beginner, then you can just go to this option right here, add my products, or you can actually go to your WooCommerce and click on products. So once you click on add my products, this is where you will get start with a template, add manually, import via CSV, and import another service. So we can actually check out some of the templates. Now, starting with the template will allow me to just replace my product, and we will be able to just name our product, add price and stuff. I will not have to start from the scratch and add all the fields and create a theme myself. Now, it depends on what kind of product you are going to be creating. So you have physical products, digital products, and variable product. So let's go with physical products because most of you guys will be looking to create physical products. Click on go. And right here, we have our products. So how to create a product on WooCommerce, this is where you will be able to actually see. It's really easy. What we need to do is we need to enter our product name. So I am actually going to be calling it, let's just call it black shirt. There you go. After that, what we need to do is we can actually go ahead and enter our information about our product. And this is going to be like my permalink for my product that I have here. But what we're going to do is we're going to add an media. And then I will simply click on add media. Once we click on add media, it allows us to upload files or select from our media library. So if you already have different images, you will be able to select from here, or you can upload an image from here and select a file. Then we have like create gallery option as well. Now create gallery will allow me to upload more than one image, and I will be able to then add a gallery of product images. And then we have like audio playlist, video playlist, and product image. We can also insert from a URL. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to add media and click on select file. It will just take a second for the image to upload, and there you go, we have our product image. Now you can see right here the attachment details. So this is the image size, everything. If you want to add an alt text right here, then you will add it right here. This is actually important for the SEO of our product. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add the word shirt, and then we have a caption for our image right here. So I'm not gonna go with caption, but I will want to add a description. So I'm gonna quickly type in some of the description right here. Once it's done, you're going to click on insert into product, and then it will be added right here. So we have our media right here as in description, and I can just place it wherever I want. So I have added an image in the description. Moving on, we can work on the SEO of our product. Now, this is available if you have an SEO plugin. So I have Yoast SEO, and look right here. It showed me how my product will look like on Google. So this is what it will look like. You can see black shirt, this is my business name. Getting far away, this is like my page name. And then we have product right here and description. So this is what it will look like on Google, and it looks pretty good, and my product will rank higher. So this is really important. If you have any kind of SEO plugin, that will help you with this one. So this is like completely optional for you guys, but I do have a plugin. So that is why it's showing me like this. Moving on, I'm gonna just skip this for now. We have our own options, which is the product data. So this is really important. This is where we add all of our information. We have general. So in general, we have to enter our regular price, and then we have a sale price. So the regular price for this product is going to be $49. And on sale, if there is a sale, and I can schedule it from here and I can add a sale price. So there is no sale on this product, but if you want to add a sale, just enter the sale price, add a schedule, like from where to where you want to add the sale. Then we have products, simple product, grouped product, variable product, simple subscription, variable subscription. So it's a simple product. If it were a variable product, then I will be able to add more than one variable for my product, but I'm going to go with a simple product. And then it's not virtual and it's not downloadable. So what I'm going to do is I am going to be shipping, so I'm not going to select these options. Let's move on to inventory. Inventory, we have SKU, manage stock, status, in stock, out of stock, or on back order. So it's in stock. I'm gonna select this one. Solid individually, if you want to just like enable this to only allow one of this item to be bought in a single order. So I do not have a group product, so I'm not gonna do that. Then we have shipping. In shipping, we have to enter our weight, length, width, height, and then we have to add our shipping class. Then if you have any linked products, you will be able to simply go to linked products and add your linked products right here, upsells and cross sales. Go to attributes and you will be able to add more than one attributes for your product. For example, I have color. Click on add and I will be able to add more than one color for my product right here. So it's actually black and I'm going to click on enter. There you go. We have black, blue, and we can add as many as we like. Click on save attributes and an attribute will be saved right here, which is the color. Then we have advanced options such as purchase note. So I like to add a purchase note and it's going to be thank you for your support. Have a nice day. And then we have a menu order. So you can actually add like the order price right here and I'm going to just add 1. So this is my purchase note. And then we have get more options. So these are the options available from WooCommerce. You can see right here, minimum and maximum quantities, one page checkout, name your price, additional variation, images. So on WooCommerce, because we know WooCommerce is one of the best e-commerce platform out there, we get a lot of different options and we have our own one page checkout available. Then again, we have our product short description if we want. Again, we can add it right here. And then we also have FAQ schema for pages and posts. Now, this is also one of the plugins that I have added. You will not find this option right here. So once you're done with your product, you can actually browse all of the extensions and options available for WooCommerce and you will be able to create your product. Now, if you check right here at the right side of your screen, you will be able to see more options. You will see some of your plugins suggesting you different options, but I'm gonna ignore the plugins because you might not have them. We have publish option. Save as draft. Visibility is public right now. I do not want it to be public because I'm creating it just for the video right now. So I'm gonna go to private. And then we have again some of the plugins, product categories. You can select different product categories that you have created. So I'm gonna click on clothing. If you want to create a new category, you can just click on this option. Then we have our product tags. So you will enter your product tag right here, any of the tags you want. Enter the tag, click on add and the tag will be added. Channel visibility, product image and product gallery. In product image, this is the image that you will set. So I'm going to select this one again, set product image. Now this is going to be my product image right here. And then I can also add a product gallery. Once your product is all done, you will simply get a preview from here. Let's get a preview. And once the preview is done, you will simply click on publish and it will be published as a public or a private product. For now, I have published it as a private product. You can see it says private. And this is how it looks. You can see this is my product. Even in the description, we have an image, but you can just, add anything else. I have uploaded a media. This is the price right now and people will be able to simply zoom in and check the product from here. They will be able to add it to their cart and buy my product. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end. This is how you can simply go ahead. And now you know how to make products on WooCommerce. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.